So if you're running a pay-per-click campaign as a law firm, one thing that I would seriously consider is making sure that you're using specific landing pages to send that paid traffic to. In technical terms, or some of the vernacular that we use, it's called a squeeze page. The reason why it's called a squeeze page is because once somebody lands on this page, there's really nothing else that they could do but either take action by calling you, filling out a form, or maybe using a chat, right? Those are the only three things that they can do on the page. There's really nowhere else to go. A lot of times I see lawyers make mistakes where they're basically running, thousands of dollars of every month in pay-per-click, and they're just sending all that traffic to like their homepage, right? Where people are getting lost and they're clicking around, they're going over to the About Us page, and then next thing you know, they're off your website. I don't think that's smart. I think you're probably wasting a lot of money. I think the conversion percentages are going to be a lot higher if you're using a landing page. And there's some awesome tools. Like I think we as a company use a tool called Unbounce, and we kind of create really beautiful landing pages that match your branding. And so if you need help with that, be sure to reach out. Just send me a DM.